Hello everyone. For our next project we require a walnut shell and then we are going to paint it with some of your favorite colors. We are going to make a honeybee. That's why I am making the combination of the yellow and the black. Then you just have to stick some of the other things so that the features are complete. For our another project, we require a disposable cup and then some white sheet of the paper. We are going to make a penguin. This is very easy and it's very less time consuming as well. Best suitable for the small kids. Be careful while you are making use of the scissors. You don't have to harm yourself, so be focused. For our next project, we require disposable cup again and scissors. We are going to make an octopus and for the tentacles, you just need some strips that are 8 in number and then you are going to curl them using the toothpick. You can even make use of a pen as well. This activity is again very simple. Don't forget to add the features of the octopus head. This is so cool and nice. You may require a glue stick or a glue gun for this type of the activities. Definitely give it a try. Thank you for watching our videos.